Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Kraken wallet on your Android device through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Make sure you have Kraken app installed on your Android device. You can download it from Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once the Kraken app is installed, go ahead and open it. You will be presented with the Kraken home screen. To log in, tap on the sign in button. Now you will need to enter your Kraken account information. This includes your email address and password. Enter your email and password and tap sign in. Congratulations! You have successfully logged in to your Kraken wallet on your Android device. Now you can access your cryptocurrency holdings and perform various transactions within the app. Remember to keep your email and password secure and never share them with anyone. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Basics for more cryptocurrency related video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.